Gather and Feast brings together two very important concepts for me: people and food. I love to bring them together in a welcoming, all-encompassing and delicious way. Visual presentation is so important to me, nearly as important as the food itself. I love exploring different ceramicists, cutlery styles, florals and linens that create visual interest. My favourite Miele kitchen appliance is my Miele steam oven. I love that I can steam perfect eggs, prove dough, prepare and steam vegetables, and create incredible desserts, just like my steamed black forest mud cake with vanilla mascarpone and vanilla cherry jam. This cake is perfectly dense and consistent in texture every time I make it using my Miele steam oven. Immer besser, or forever better, is a real commitment for Miele.